Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a Rednote account. First of all, we have to install the Rednote app. You can get the app from your App Store or from your Play Store. Just go ahead and search for Rednote, and this is the official Rednote app. First of all, you have to install the app. Now go ahead and open the Rednote app. Here tap on Agree, and I'm going to allow notification from Rednote, and here tap on login. Don't worry, we are going to create a free account. Just tap on login, and here select Google account, tap on agree and continue, and now select the specific Google account. For example, I want to create a brand new Rednote account using this Google account, so I'm selecting this account, tapping on continue, and now choose your gender and your age. I'm selecting a random age here, tapping on next. Select your interest. You can select multiple interest just like so, and tap on start exploring. And here allow Rednote to access your contacts. Tap on allow and tap on next. Allow all permissions, and that's it. You have successfully created your brand new Rednote account. Now you can go ahead and use Rednote. Thanks for watching.